New at 5, a lawsuit against a health insurer over a long-term health care policy. It was filed on behalf of one senior citizen, but it may get class action status.
Consumer Specialist Rick Romero looks at the complaint, and he has some advice on checking out long-term care policies.
87-year-old Dr. William Hall of Upland thought he had planned his later years in life very well. He bought a long-term care insurance policy from the Senior Health Insurance Company of Pennsylvania, also known as SHIP. But when he filed his first claim nearly 3 years ago, he got very little in return from SHIP.
We bought this insurance with the expectation that it would help us bear the burden of caregiver cost.
A burden is right. Dr. Hall has been paying out $95,000 a year for his care, while SHIP has paid only $9,000 total. Now, with the help of the Consumer Watchdog Group and an attorney, Dr. Hall, who is a former chief of medicine for Kaiser and Fontana, has filed a lawsuit against SHIP for denying his claims.
Dr. Hall has received an avalanche of letters over the last year or so explaining exactly why he hasn't received the benefits that he deserves. And the explanations are absurd.
Dr. Hall or his family would fill out the same information requested multiple times, and the company would still say there's nothing, we need more information, or we never got that information, or tell us the information again.
At some point in time in our lives, many of us are going to need long-term care, just like Dr. Hall. But at an average cost of $70,000 a year, many of us may not be able to afford it without insurance. But before you buy a policy, here's what you need to know. Know exactly what the policy will and will not allow. Factor in how many customer complaints the company has received. Check out the insurer's history of premium hikes. Since you'll be buying the policy decades before you need it, choose a financially strong company. This is Rick Romero, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
And we now have this response from the company. We are in the process of reviewing his complaint, and we can assure you this will be handled appropriately. SHIP's sole mission is to pay eligible claims accurately and timely, and has established a very strong record of compliance.